Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making honey glazed lamb chops. You will need 2 pounds of lamb chops, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. To a bowl, add your salt and pepper. Now add your thyme and garlic powder, then mix until well combined. In another bowl, combine your balsamic vinegar and vegetable oil. Now add your honey. Add your garlic, ginger, and lemon zest, then mix until well combined. Add your lamb chops to a bowl, then generously coat with 1 tablespoon of your olive oil. Now generously season your lamb chops with your seasoning mixture. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the pan. Now sear your lamb chops for 4 minutes on each side. Using your honey mixture, coat your lamb chops on both sides. Continue cooking for an additional 3 minutes, allowing your glazed sauce to thicken. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.